Hi friends and subscribers, this is Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on developing a CRUD application using Zend Framework3. In my last video I completed the functionality of updating a post, and in this video I will be completing the functionality of deleting a post, and this video will be the last video of this tutorial series of developing a CRUD application using Zend Framework3. Okay, so now I already link these buttons to some pages. Okay, so I already linked the IDs of this post to these buttons, and these buttons are also linked to their pages. Okay, so now when I click on this delete, you will see the delete.html view or template will get called. Okay, so now let's go to our editor and open our delete.html file. Okay, and let's just copy this title thing and then just paste it here, and then delete post. Okay, now let us create a PHP tag. Okay, and then URL equals to this URL. Okay, and then post action delete. Okay, and then ID will be $ID. Okay, now let's create a form. Okay, and action will be this URL. Okay. Method will be post. Okay, and now let's create a P R U sure, and then a div with a class of form group. Okay, and then input, and type will be hidden. Okay, and then name, the ID, value, then go $post of get ID. Okay, and then I will create another input field, and this input field will be of type submit, and then name will be delete, value will be s, and then class will be btn danger. Okay, I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and the name will be delete, and then value will be no. Okay, and then this will be default. Okay, and now I will go to my index controller.php. Okay, and I have already created an action with a name as delete action. Okay, and then I will copy the same thing. Okay, just still here, I will just copy this and I will put it here, and then $request equals to this get request. Okay, and then if, okay, I will just take this, copy, and I will put it here. Okay, and then I'll just pass this post to our form. Okay, and then now let's refresh. Okay, now it's displaying us two buttons, one is yes and one is no. So whenever I click on yes, the record will get deleted or the post will get deleted, and whenever I click on no, we should be redirected again to our home page. Okay, so now let's do that functionality as well. Okay, and then delete post to $request of get post delete no. Okay, then if delete is equals to s is equals to s. Okay, if the user click on the s button, then I will get the ID post get ID. Okay, I will get the ID, then I will go to my post table and I will call the function as delete post, and to this I will pass the ID, and then I will redirect to home route home, and then else. Okay, and else as well I will be returning to home. Okay, so now let's go to our post table, and then we have to create this delete post function. Okay, so let's come to our post table and then write a function, public function delete post. Okay, and then ID this table gateway, and then delete. Okay, and create an array and ID. Okay, now let's go to home page and let's try to this 8th record. Okay, so now I will click on delete, and now if I click on no, okay, so I'll be redirected to my home page. So this can be done using this. Okay, so when I if I didn't click on yes button, then else part will get executed. In that case I'll be redirecting to my home page. Okay, so now I will be deleting I will be clicking on deleting the 8th post, and now if I click on S, now the post, okay, you can see the post is not deleted. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here delete is equals to S delete post. Okay, table gateway, okay, everything is fine. Okay, Okay, everything is fine here. Okay, let's see in post table. Okay, so this function is also fine. Okay, now okay, just copy, paste it here. Okay, now save it. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, now let's try to delete this. Okay, okay, now our record is getting deleted. Okay, now let's try to delete this third record. Okay, yes, now let us see. Okay, our third record is also deleted from the table. Okay, so now let's refresh this. Okay, now we are left with only 4 records. Okay, so this is how we can delete the record. Okay, so now, okay, so here we have created the URL, and the action will be the delete, and we have passed the ID of the post from this URL here inside the action. Okay, and here we have created 2 buttons, and these names yes and no we have taken. These values of the buttons yes and no we have taken here inside our index controller.php file. Okay, so whenever user click on this delete button, the ID of this post will be sent. Okay, if I click on this delete, the ID of this post will be collected inside this URL bar. Okay, so from here the ID of this particular post will be taken here. Okay, with the help of this statement. Okay, from the route I'll be taking the ID parameter. I'm storing it in this variable. Okay, and then I'll be getting the data, and then I'll be deleting the complete information. Okay, so if the user here, this variable holds the value of either yes or no. Okay, so if the delete value contains the value of s, which indicates this button, which means that the user has clicked on this button, at that time I'll be deleting the post, and then I'll be redirecting the user to the home page. Otherwise, in else case, the user will be clicking on this no, so this delete will be having the no value, and then I'll be redirecting directly that user to the home page. Okay, so this is how we can delete a post. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And this is the last video of our complete video tutorial series. With this, we have successfully completed the developing a CRUD application using Zend framework. Okay, I would just request you guys to watch each and every video of this complete tutorial series. Then only you will be able to understand how to create a CRUD application using Zend framework, and you will be learning. We will be getting a good knowledge on Zend framework if you watch in each and every video of this video tutorial series. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video, where I'll be discussing on some other topic. Okay, thanks for watching.